how to use the time value of money formula, the very basic formula to solve for the number of years. So you know that the formula is present value after n year is equals to future value after n year is equals to present value times 1 plus r to the power n. This is the formula where FVN is indicates future value after n years. PV indicates present value, that means the value right now, and R is the discount rate, and N is the number of years we are going to calculate. We are going to get the future value. Let's say we have a problem. We have a case. You will deposit $1,000 in a bank account, paying 10% interest. Okay? Now the question is, how long will it take to double the money? This is the question. So you are depositing $1,000 in a bank account. So you are depositing $1,000, okay, $1,000 in a bank account that pays 10% interest. So the interest rate is also like a discount rate, because if you want to calculate the value after 1 year, then this $1,000 will grow at this rate. Right or wrong? So the question is, how long will it take to double the money? You are interested to double the money. It is quite exciting to get your money doubled, right? So we have the present value, right? We have the present value for this example. What is the present value? How do you understand? You were asking me how to identify which one is what, right? So which one is present value? You know that present means now. So what does the story say? You will deposit $1,000 in a bank account paying 10% interest. Although it mentions you will, actually this will doesn't mean after 1 year. You will means maybe tomorrow, or maybe after several hours or something like that. Or you are depositing. So relative to when the money will be double, okay, this time of this $1,000 deposit is at present. Okay, so you are depositing, or you will deposit $1,000 in a bank account paying 10% interest. So you can understand present value is how much? 1,000. Now, what is the discount rate? Discount rate is 10%. We can understand it very clearly. Okay. What is the number of year? Number of year we don't know. This is the question. How long will it take? How long means what is the duration of time? So we don't know the discount rate. But what is the future value? Because if you want to solve for number of year, you need to know the value of all other elements in this expression, in this equation, right? So you need PV, you have got it. You need R, you have got it. You also need FVN. So what is FVN? Is it given? It is not given, but an indication is given that your money will be double in future. So the future value is 2 times the present value. Okay, 2 times the present value. That means 2 times $1,000. That is equal to $2,000. So we have got the future value. Now, if we use this equation, FVN is equals to PV times 1 plus R to the power n. Now let us put the values here. So $2,000 is equals to $1,000, because you know $2,000 is the future value, $1,000 is the present value, times 1 plus, what is the discount rate? 10% to the power n. We don't know n. So in this equation we have only one unknown. Therefore, if we solve this equation, we can find the value of n, right? So let's solve it. Equals okay. So 1 plus 10% to the power n is equals to $2,000 divided by $1,000. So after some calculation, we get 1.10 to the power n is equals to 2, isn't it? If you divide $2,000 by 1,000, then you get 2. Very simple, right? So now if you want to solve this, simple algebra will not work. You have to take the help of logarithmic calculation. So let us take the logarithm of both sides. Log 1.10 to the power n is equals to log 2. So from here we get n log 1.10 is equals to log 2. Therefore, n is equals to log 2 divided by log 1.10. And the good news is you can easily find the value of log 2 and log 1.10 using your calculator. Okay, can you find that using your calculator, scientific calculator? Everyone find the value of log 2 first. 7. I want to know the value of log 2 first. Don't do at a time. 4 digits at least. 0.3010. After 0? 2. Okay. 3010. And what is the value of log 1.10? 0.0414. So the result is 7.27. So what is the answer? Because we assume year as the standard measure of time period, so it will take 7.27 years, because interest rate is always mentioned on an annual basis. Therefore, it will take 7.27 years to double your money given this condition. Okay, any question? Is it clear to you or not? লগ আর লন দুটো দিয়েই করা যাবে। একটা হলো একটা লগারিদমের বেস হলো 10 আর একটা হলো বেস হলো e. So it will give the same result. No significant difference. Okay, this is how you can actually calculate the value of the number of years required. Now remember, not necessarily it will always be double. It can also be triple. It can also be quadruple. It can also be 1.5 times, or it can also be an amount. You know, how long will it take to get, let's say, $50,000 from this account? You can see, you know, as long as you identify the future value, you can solve it for it. Okay? এটা তো আসলে ফিউচার ভ্যালু ফর্মুলাই। হ্যাঁ, ফিউচার ভ্যালু ফর্মুলাতে তোমরা ম্যাথামেটিক্স অলরেডি জানো যে নট নেসেসারি ফিউচার ভ্যালু ফর্মুলা, এনি ইকুয়েশন, সেখানে আমরা যদি একটা আননোন থাকে বাকিগুলো থাকে, আমরা সেটা সলভ করতে পারি। দ্যাট ইজ দ্য মেইন প্রিন্সিপাল হুইচ উই আর জাস্ট অ্যাপ্লাইং হিয়ার। তো আমাদের এখানে শুধুমাত্র আমরা আননোন নাম্বার অফ ইয়ার থাকলে একটু তোমাদের ম্যাথমেটিক্সের লগারিদম ইউজ করতে হয়, সেই জন্য আমরা এটা জাস্ট মনে করাই দিলাম আর কি। তোমরা তো লগারিদমও শিখছো না?